In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a project board in Jira Cloud. If you're managing projects on Jira Cloud, understanding how to effectively configure your project board is crucial for optimizing your team's workflow. Let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of your board setup. First, you'll want to navigate to the board you wish to configure. Log into your Jira account and find the board that needs attention. This could be a board that you're already using or a new one you've just set up. Once you've accessed the board, look for the three dots located next to the board's name. This menu is your gateway to all the customization options. Go ahead and click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Board Settings. This will take you to a central hub where all the configuration magic happens. Next, click on the Layout option. It's here where you can begin to visualize how your board is structured. The configuration screen you'll see will include several tabs like columns, swim lanes, and more, each offering unique customization options to better fit your project's needs. Starting with the Columns tab, consider how your project workflow is currently organized with statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You have the ability to map these statuses directly to your board's columns. Think of columns as the backbone of your project board. They help in visually breaking down tasks into manageable components. You can also add, remove, or rename columns to mirror your team's specific processes. For instance, if your team has a review phase, you might want to add a review column. Tailoring these columns ensures that everyone on the team has clarity on where an issue or task stands. Now on to swim lanes. These are incredibly useful for organizing your board based on different criteria, such as assignee, priority, or even status. They provide a horizontal division within your board's columns, allowing for a clearer view of how tasks are distributed or progressing among team members. Creating quick filters is another powerful option. These filters will enable you to quickly zero in on issues based on specific criteria, like a particular issue type or which team it is assigned to. Quick filters help in saving time by refining what's visible, especially useful during team meetings. Let's not forget the card layout. Decide what information should appear on the issue cards themselves. Whether it's due dates, assignees, or priority levels, customizing the card layout ensures everyone can see key details at a glance. Lastly, configure the working days section. It's important to set the correct time zone and the days your team operates. This information is key when you're planning sprints and generating reports, as it directly affects how time is tracked and managed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up a project board that is not only functional but also optimally configured for your team's success. Happy project managing!